Hi friends, and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make simple but authentic Nigerian native rice that you can recreate at home. If you'd like to see how I made it, then let's begin. I'm going to start by cooking my proteins, which will be goat meat and cow tripe. I'll also go ahead and season them with some diced onions, minced ginger and garlic. I would also add some spices. And for seasoning, I'll be using beef seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, bouillon powder and a little salt. I'm going to mix this together, cover the pot and let it steam in its own juice for about 5 minutes. As you know, goat meat and cow tripe are very thick meat, so the steaming is going to help to make it more tender and release the juices. I'm also going to add water to cover the meats and then cook it till the meat is very soft. After that, I'm going to set it aside and start working on my pepper mix. And for my pepper blend, I am using red bell peppers, onions, ginger and garlic, habanero pepper and chilies. I'm going to blend this off camera and set it aside because I'll be using it later in the recipe. After that, I am going to slightly fry my cooked proteins till they are brown. And once they are slightly brown on both sides, I'm going to remove it from the pan and set it aside to use later. And once that is done, in a clean pot, I added some oil and diced onions. I'm going to scoop in some of the pepper blend that I made earlier. Next, I will go in with some washed rice and fry this for a few minutes. I will also go in with some meat stock from the goat meat and the cow tripe that I had cooked earlier. Then cook the rice until it is soft, and then I will set it aside. And as the rice is cooking, in another pan, I added some red oil, onions, locust beans, and some crayfish powder. Next, I will go in with the remaining part of my pepper blend. Cover the pot and cook till you see the oil floating at the top of the stew mix. I'll also season with some bouillon powder and some allspice. After seasoning it, then the stew base for the rice is ready. I went in with my proteins and the cooked rice. And finally, I'm going to combine everything together, and I added some hard-boiled eggs and some spinach. Usually, what we use for native rice in Nigeria is scent leaves, but as I could not get scent leaves in my location, I'm using spinach. This is not going to change the flavor of the native rice. If you enjoyed watching this recipe, then please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and see you on my next video. Thank you for watching.